Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel in your Jeep JK, whether you need to get access to your locks, door handle for any type of repairs. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to remove this panel. First thing we need to do is we got to pop that clip off from behind. Get a trim tool in there. Okay, piece is popped off. Gonna put it on the ground. That clip removed. I'm gonna pull this T25 out. So now with that screw out, we're gonna pop this cover off with our trim tool. Okay, we're gonna fold that up, and that's it. We're gonna put it on the ground. Get a trim tool in there, pop that off. So we got a Phillips there, and we got another Phillips right there. We got to remove those two. And just let it fall on the ground, because good thing this has a little light on it. Get in there. I think I'm just going to grab a magnet. At the bottom of the door we got two, one there, and that'll be all the hardware holding the door on. This I'm actually going to take off. So now that everything's off, we're going to take our trim tab tool and pry all the tabs off. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Hope we don't break any, because that would suck. Yeah, trim tabs are not your friend. That's for sure. Still got something in this side of here. There we go. I think we got her. And if there's anything connected, yeah, there is. There is the lock connector that we gotta carefully get out. And there you have it. Removing the door panel should probably take you about 10-15 minutes. That gives you access to the window motor, the electronic lock, the cables for the door, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next one. Take care.